trying out hair tinsel today. I got this pack of tinsel, comes in different colors. I got it from the TikTok shop. And it comes with all the tools too. So it came with the little beads, the tool to tighten the bead, a little hair clip, and with the tools. I've never done tinsel before, so we're gonna see how it goes. Wish me luck, because I've never done it before. She's done it at the hair salon, so like a hairstylist that has done it for her, but
and look what I got from my family.
So.
Look what I got from my family.
Her Thea brought her that for Easter. It's a super cute bag. Okay, anyways, let's get started. And today we're gonna be putting in this color. It's kind of like a fluorescent baby pink. It looks really nice because like up close, it kind of looks, oh, depending on the angle, it kind of looks like a pearl white and then baby pink. So it kind of like changes colors.
You're open.
So we were in between these two. But she's never had this color, so we're gonna try it. All right, so let me part your hair. He looks so cute. Look up. Cheese. And I'm just parting the hair off. I usually put it, well, they usually put it on the side of her head. So I'm just gonna do a part off to the side like that and just put it right here. Oh, baby. So like that. And my little baby has a lot of baby hairs.
Baby too.
So we'll see. Here we go. And I'm just gonna do a high pony to hold her hair and up out of the way. Oh, baby. Wow, cutie pie. Emma. Here we go.
Can I get water, Mom? Here you go, my lady. Look at your cute little cup. My lady. Okay. Mom, your hair's so long.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Can I get my pencils?
You want a hair tinsel?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sweetie. What color do you want?
This color?
Pink?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna look so cute with pink. Alright, we're gonna try it out, okay?
What's your name?
I'm a hairstylist.
What's your name?
Hairstylist.
What's a hairstylist? Are you gonna be done toast my hair?
Well, look at this.
Mommy, your hair's so long.
It's so shiny. Should we put this whole piece? Imagine we put this whole piece on your hair.
Mommy, your hair's so long.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
What's your name?
Emma.
Emma?
Mm-hmm.
Emma what?
Emma Valentina.
Oh, okay. Okay, I think we're supposed to put like.
And look at my shirt. Hair's so long. Hair's so long. Look.
What's it say?
It says it says love my mom. You're literally calling my cheek.
You're literally like, what?
And look, and I have
Some face masks. Mom, can we do my face mask today?
Absolutely. Maybe.
Okay.
Okay,
No, I'm
so I'm gonna
scared.
hold this hair.
I'm scared of Mom.
Why?
Because you think you're going to pull my hair.
Hmm. Okay, don't touch that. I'm gonna try this one first, and then I don't know if I could try the both. Where's the little ball? Okay, so this is a little ball, and I'm gonna put it in here.
I'm not touching the grease.
There you go.
What is that?
It's a tool.
What tool?
What are you doing?
Playing hand sanitizer. I'm not touching everything. There's another. What is that? What is that, Mom? I'm not touching in the grease.
I literally oh my gosh, okay, I thought I dropped it. How do you do this?
Probably
Do we have to leave one out? Don't move.
Why? I'm not getting stressed out here.
Just around a little bit. Are you putting hand sanitizer on?
Yeah,
Why?
because my hands are dirty.
It smells good.
Hmm?
It smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, ready? We're gonna do this now. Ready, set. Oh gosh, don't move, don't move. Alright. Okay, we did that, and now I'm just gonna. Don't move. Stop moving your head. 1, 2. Did I do that? Oh my gosh. I think. So this was our first attempt, and I think it came out okay.
Ow!
What's wrong with you?
You keep pulling me. Mom, why are you doing this video then?
Alright, let me show you guys how it came out. So this is how it came out. It's a little, I don't want to say messy, but it could have been better. I look at the tip, I just don't know. If anybody has any suggestions on how to do this or how to make it better, or any videos, let me know.
She can do it. Ow.
What are you doing?
What? Are you gonna cut my hair?
I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna cut off the tip because the tinsel's too long.
Could you put it on?
Yeah.
hate it.
Don't say that. Okay, turn your head. You see it? Look at your hair.
Mom, can I do a bath?
You like it?
Can I do a bath, Mom?
And we're gonna try doing it one more.
Mom, can I do the bath? Can I have a bath, Mom?
Yeah.
And can we do a max?
A what?
Max
Yeah.
for getting in the shower.
I'm gonna try this tool now. This is a different tool, and we'll see if it's easier.
Do you want a hand tighter, Mom?
1, 2, 1, 2.
Mom, do you want a hand tighter?
No.
Because I got some here. Do you want chapstick? I need some chaps. Not touching squirts anymore. My hands are literally dirty.
Alright, so that. I'll try this side. Alright, I'm gonna try this side now.
I'm scared. My mom said I can do a boyfriend hug and she can let me do it. But she said no, I can't have no boyfriends here. Because you can. She already has a boyfriend. That's true, Mama?
Hey, where did that thing go?
What thing go?
Here. Grab it. Put it in the stick.
I'm scared.
Alright, ready?
I'm scared, Mama.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Say ready.
Yeah. Let me put some chapstick on. I want to be gentle with me.
Be gentle.
Oh. Not to erase it all. Ah. Oh my. Let me wipe it off.
Alright, give me the thing.
What thing?
The tool.
Mommy.
Oh. Okay, this one came out better actually. You see this?
Mama, can I go get something from my room?
Let me show your hair really quick. This one came out better with the second tool. And I'm gonna trim it now.
Mom, can I go get something from my room? Can I go get something?
No,
Why?
hold on.
You're gonna cut my shirt. Mom, because it's my shirt. Mom, now I'm gonna get something from my room?
Here, let me see how it looks. You like how it looks?
Yeah, like how it looks.
Mm.
Can I go get
Okay,
something?
let's put your hair a little down. Let's see if you can even see it.
I can still see it.
Can you see it?
Mom, can I go get
Let's
something?
see about when you tie it up. You
I
can
can.
see it.
I can still see it. I'm not that blind like you. I can still see it. I can still see it. Mom,
It's cute.
maybe this is ours.
Papa try when he gets home. I think he wanted to try one, putting one. But so far it looks cute. I mean, I'll show you guys how her ponytail looks.
If you're a kid, if you're blind.
Okay, turn that way. I'm gonna show them how your ponytail looks. So it looks cute. It's like shiny. I'm gonna add more, but this is how it looks so far. So it'll just give it like a little razzle dazzle. But yeah, so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Right, so we'll keep trying, and obviously it takes practice to get it right. This was our first time, so if you all have any suggestions, let me know in the comments, and please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel because I want to start posting more content, and we have a lot of stuff that we do that we try, so make sure to hit that subscribe button.
Mama.
Hmm.
You